Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will look at the new version of program 2022.2. I will compare this version with previous one 2022.1. In this version, we have new tool File Manager. The new tool allows you to manage all project files in one window. For example, let's insert some image. Here is our new tool. We can select images on local PC. We can change size. We can sort files by name, by type, by size, and by data. Also here we can choose premium image. We can choose free images. And we can use library. Library contains all our objects which is used in current project. Here are a lot of images. And we can use it, for example, for our purpose. Another example of File Manager use is insert a video from YouTube or Vimeo. We can insert video from our library, from local files, from free video, or just insert a link. There is one more new tool. Now you can optimize project. This tool allows you to export all additional projects files as well as find and remove those files that are not longer used in project. Here we can select what exactly we need to export, and here we can delete all unused files. Let's see how this works. For example, I will create new project, blank project. This is just blank page. Let's insert, for example, image and a video. Let's insert image, for example, this. Now we can see this image in our library. Now let's insert some video. Let's see our page. This video won't work in preview, but here it is. And let's see the folder with project. We can see the video file. It's quite big. So, if we don't want to use this object, we just can delete it. We can also save project, but if we look here, we can see this file is in our library. If we go here and select delete the resources that aren't linked to the project, here it is, and now let's see not linked resources, just delete them, and the file was deleted. Also, we have new option for Hamburger menu. You can now open submenus for Hamburger menu by click or hover. Let's see the example. Here is our menu. nothing happens, but when we click, it opens. Now we can change this setting and see the result. Just hover and it's open. In next video we will talk about other useful objects and settings that will help you to work with this program. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. I will try to answer as quick as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.